everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I am going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
So that's all for today. I hope you like these trendy blouse designs. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.